Hi, in this video I'll demonstrate how you can use the provider relationship management to manage your provider relationships. So I'll click on login to login after entering my login details. Now that that's been done, I'll navigate or I'll move to provider relationship management module. So this is a module, the module that we're concerned with at this time. Click on the drop down and you'll find all other actions that you can carry out under this module. You can document enrollee sensitization, you can manage grievances, you can document NHI statutory reports, provider accreditation, and provider monitoring. So let's proceed to document an enrollee sensitization. Notice how once I clicked on this, you find a page where we have a list of enrollee sensitization that's been captured before and a button to initiate a new enrollee sensitization. If I click on the record here, you will find that this has been captured before. You can update what details that you find here. You can view data that's been captured before. You can update, by the way. We'll just go on to initiate a new enrollee sensitization. So I click on back, go back rather, and I'll click add enrollee sensitization. This is a new page, a new form for me to document enrollee sensitization for a parastatal. So let's say the parastatal we're concerned with at this time is NITDA, the address is this, and the region, assuming is this. The name of the staff that is currently logged in that is capturing this data is already captured already, so you don't need to type in anything here. I'm sure you'll be seeing your name here, so just leave that like so. Also select a current status. I would always advise that we start from the first status here, which is official notification of parastatal. Now that we've started this, you notice how the step one came alive, or got activated. You want to click on the drop down and begin to enter information around actions that were performed for this particular enrollee sensitization. So let's say official notification of parastatal has been done. So you select done. What date was this done? Let's say 1st of April. Comment, you want to write in a comment anything. The comment could be anything that relates to what happened during that activity. The next step is copy to NHI, done. Set the date for that. So let's say the date is still the same date as the first. So let's leave this as this. And let us also move on to the third activity, which is date in line. Is the date in line with quarterly itinerary? You say yes, and you set the date. This was confirmed. Let me say the same is the same date, 1st of April. And let me set, oh sorry, comments. I'll just leave the, let me just write a comment. Okay, so that has been done. Let's move on to step 2. We're still documenting, remember. Step 2, have you conducted the sensitization? Yes, it has been done. What dates? So let's say the sensitization was done on the 2nd of April. And the comments, you can enter. Okay. And did you take attendance? That is the name of the parastatal, the name of the attendants, the attendees rather, the parastatal, the designation and their signatures. If you did, say done, that has been done, and click upload to upload, your attendance sheet. So you want to choose, if your attendance sheet is a document, is an image that you took a photo of or you scanned, you want to select image. If your attendance is a document, you want to select document. So let me click image. I'll go to my file. So you go to your file and then you select an image and click on upload file. So we've successfully uploaded our document. You can enter a comment or you can leave it if there's no comment. Sorry. So let me just, yes, let me just leave that. So total attendees. Do you have a document that tells you the total attendees? If you do, you can also upload that as well. So let me upload. So that has been uploaded too. So let me move on to step 3. Report on sensitization. Has the report on sensitization been done? Yeah. Do you want to upload that report? Yes. So you upload the report. I don't have any documents currently in, so I don't have any document on my system yet. Okay, so because I don't have any document, I'll just leave it at image. Let me use an image for this. So that image has been uploaded. Okay. And have you sent a report to HOD through RBM? Done. When was this done? On the 3rd. So I forgot to capture the dates for this, and I think for this too. And that would hinder me from being able to submit. So dates are like required fields when using these forms. So let me capture the dates to avoid issues. So I've done that. Okay, and then let's move on to step 4, which is the final step. Escalate and resolve issues. Has this been done? Yes. When was this done? On the 4th. And we have comments. Are we doing follow-up? Yes. Follow-up will be, okay, no, follow-up on the 4th. Yeah. So have we been able to give feedback to the enrollee? Assuming we are yet to give feedback to the enrollee, let's just save this. So now we've successfully created a new enrollee sensitization, and we left out a particular activity in step 4 because maybe assuming that has not been done yet. So let's look at the record we just captured. You can see all of the data we captured. You can view your reports or your uploads rather. So I'll check why. I'll get this sorted. Okay, so this is me viewing one of the uploads that we sent out earlier. So I'm going to get these other ones fixed. I think I wasn't able to view this one and this one. So we can see all of the data we've captured and we can complete the documentation process. So let's complete the last activity. So let's say this has been done and it was done today as well. Hi, and I'll update that. Okay, so we've completed this documentation. You can see the name of the organization, the person that did the documentation, the status, and the date, the last date that was captured. So this concludes enrollee documentation or enrollee sensitization documentation. In our next video, I'll show you how we can document for NHIA statutory reports.